Tiny tires on the tailgate. You sit there smiling at that scale-sized dream. Midnight pain in a silver grill, like your first love from 17. Mud on the fenders in your mind. Kitchen floor turns to a mountain climb. You chase the couch cushion river bend, laughing as it tips and rides again. Oh yeah, little truck, big heart, rolling over everything in the dark. Black C10 on the living room trail. Every turn rides a piece of your tail. Little truck, big heart, you drive it like it's holding all your stars. Axles hum as the whole world shrinks down to you and how that engine thinks. Dad's old cap on your messy hair, phone lights shining like a county fair. You paint the scars with a silver pen. Every scratch says, here we go again. You line up books like canyon walls. Coffee mug becomes a waterfall. Friends all cheer when it makes the climb. It's just plastic, but it feels like time. Little truck, big heart, rolling over everything in the dark. Black C10 on the living room trail. Every turn rides a piece of your tail. Little truck, big heart, you drive it like it's holding all your stars. Axles hum as the whole world shrinks down to you and how that engine thinks. When the real road feels too long and your headlights can't stay strong, you spin that wheel in your two-room town and somehow it all slows down. Oh, it all slows down. Little truck, big heart, rolling over everything in the dark. Black C10 on the living room trail. Every turn rides a piece of your tail. Little truck, big heart, you drive it like it's holding all your stars. In that tiny bed you carry dreams bigger than they ever seem. Coffee on the tailgate, sun just breaking through the gray. You're sitting in the gravel, tiny tires lined up to play. Little blue body, scuff from yesterday. You're the one I reach for every single Saturday. Axial SCX24, Chevrolet C10, you're my small town thunder rolling again. Crawling over pebbles like they're mountain stone in my hands. You feel like home. Yeah, you feel like home. Slow crawl up the tree roots. Bumpers kiss the bark, then clear. You stumble, but you never quit. I cheer like anybody'd hear. Dirt on my jeans, knee It's just me and this little truck, giving in to simple needs. Axial SCX24, Chevrolet C10, you're my small town thunder rolling again. Crawling over pebbles like they're mountain stone in my hands, you feel like home. Yeah, you feel like home. People run for something faster, always chasing something loud. I just turn this tiny wheel, leave the weight inside the clouds. A little frame, big escape. You pull me out of my own way. Tiny tires on the tailgate, you sit there smiling at that scale-sized dream. Midnight paint and a silver grill, like your first love in 17. Mud on the fenders in your mind, kitchen floor turns to a mountain climb. You chase the couch cushion river bend, laughing as it tips and rights again. Oh yeah, little truck, big heart, rolling over everything in the dark, like C10 on the living room tray. Every turn writes a piece of your tale. Little truck, big heart, you drive it like it's holding all your stars. Axles hum as the whole world strings down to you and how that engine thinks. Dad's old cap on your messy hair, phone light shining like a county fair. You paint the scars with a silver pen, every scratch says, here we go.